Hey guys, for this video I'm gonna do the Tesla CHAdeMO adapter unboxing. So here is the box, I just bought it and let's start. Alright, so there it is, the adapter, and I will just start by cutting this to over here, and let's see, how can I open it? There it is. Alright. So there is a manual how to make the connection when we are in the CHAdeMO. Alright, and now here is the adapter. Let's take it away from this plastic bag. I think I have to break it. And then it is the adapter, and here is the type 2 connection for the car, and there is a button. I think this one is the new version, I don't know exactly, but I remember that the older ones, they have a different button here. And there is nothing else in the box. Alright, so I'll be using the adapter soon. I'm gonna do a trip to Lapland and I don't want to borrow adapters anymore, 21, so I decided this is the time. Also, I bought the adapter with CHAdeMO because I had 4 referrals in my previous program, and what I did was I actually changed the power wall for CHAdeMO. So this was my first purchase with the credit. I was actually waiting for the adapter for 100 kilowatt or a CCS adapter 100 kilowatt, but Tesla doesn't provide it yet, so I don't want to wait anymore, and I'm gonna need it next week, so I just got one. And for the instructions, I would like to show it to you. So the instructions are pretty easy. So just connect the adapter to the CHAdeMO cable, and then connect the adapter to the car, and there you go, you can start the charging. And I think it's it. Okay, to disconnect, it doesn't say, but I will disconnect first from the charger and then disconnect it from the car. Not sure if this is the correct way, but there you go. This is the whole content. I hope you guys liked it, and see you next time.